All right, if you're in a senior leadership role, you're going to want to lean in for this. We're about to break down a really critical guide from Virtualization Options LLC, and it reveals a pretty startling truth. That annual security training you're running, it might actually be doing more harm than good. Let's dig into why. So, all the insights we're about to go through come from Virtualization Options LLC, a technology research and advisory firm. And they make one thing crystal clear right from the start. This is not just some tech issue buried in the IT department. This is a fundamental business risk. To really grasp what's at stake here, let's just focus on one number: $4.45 million. According to an IBM report mentioned in the guide, that was the average cost of a data breach in 2023. That's the price tag for getting this wrong, and it's the backdrop for everything we're about to cover. So what's the core problem we're facing? The security world has completely changed. We're not defending against the same old attacks anymore. No, we are in a full-blown AI-fueled arms race, and the strategies that worked yesterday, well, they're just not going to cut it today. And this is where you see the disconnect. It's huge. On one hand, you've got that traditional annual training. You know the drill. It's one size fits all. It's about checking a box for the compliance team with scenarios that feel totally outdated. But on the other hand, you have AI-powered threats. These things are hyper-personalized, they move at lightning speed, and they are always changing. It's a critical mismatch. So what exactly are we up against? Well, imagine AI creating phishing emails so perfectly crafted, so personal, they're practically undetectable. Think about malware that literally rewrites its own code to stay hidden from your defenses. Or, get this, deepfake audio and video that's so convincing it can impersonate your CEO and trick your finance team into wiring millions. The game has changed. AI has shrunk the time an attacker needs from weeks down to literally seconds. Okay, so when this training gap leads to a breach, and it will, who's on the front lines? Your customers. They are the first to feel the impact, and the consequences can be absolutely devastating. When a breach happens because an employee just wasn't prepared for one of these new AI attacks, it's customer data that gets exposed. We're talking personal info, financial records, health records, you name it. And this isn't just a data problem. It's a trust problem that can completely erode your brand. And it very quickly becomes a legal problem, with massive fines from regulators under things like GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA. You know, this quote from the report is a huge wake-up call. The difference between doing training once a year versus doing it continuously isn't just about timing. It's a clear signal of how seriously you're taking data protection. It's a direct measure of your security maturity. This brings up a really critical question for every manager out there. You vet your vendors for all sorts of things, right? But are you actually digging into the maturity of their security training programs? Because let's be honest, their weakness could very easily become your next customer data breach. And the risk doesn't just stop with your customers. A single mistake from just one member of your team can set off a chain reaction, cascading through your entire supply chain and affecting every single partner you work with. I mean, think about it. Your systems are all connected to your partner systems. So a breach on your end, caused by a simple human error, doesn't stay contained. It spreads through those shared connections. And suddenly, you're not just dealing with your own crisis. You're in breach of contract with your partners, and your security failure has now become their reputational nightmare. So how should we be looking at this? The report argues that if you find out a partner is relying only on annual security training, that should be treated as a major red flag. We're talking on par with a bad security audit. It's a clear indicator of a much deeper systemic risk. Now, let's take this all the way to the top, to the highest level of business concern: your investors. Because inadequate training is no longer just some line item in the IT budget. It's a direct signal of risk to the people who fund your company. For investors, this stuff translates directly into hard numbers. A breach happens, the stock price takes a hit, period. And with new SEC rules, you have just 4 days to disclose a major incident, putting you under an intense public and legal microscope. And what's more, directors and officers are now facing personal liability if they can't prove they took cybersecurity oversight, including training, seriously. Ultimately, the report's message on this is unmistakable. An annual-only training program is a sign of a governance failure. It tells investors that the company isn't taking human factor risks seriously. And in the age of AI, that's one of the absolute biggest risks you can take. So what's the bottom line here? Protecting your organization from these human-driven cyber threats, well, that's not just a job for IT or HR anymore. It is now a core responsibility of the board and all of senior leadership.
Let's be perfectly clear. That once a year, check-the-box training has officially graduated. It's moved from being a simple compliance task to being a material business risk that exposes every single facet of your organization. And it demands serious executive oversight.
And so we end with this question, one that every leader should be asking in their very next board meeting. Is your current training program just creating a dangerous, false sense of security while leaving your customers, your partners, and your investors wide open to the real-world risks of AI-powered threats?